Welcome back to my online class. All of we know, due to COVID-19, all the educational institutions are closed. According to the direction of government, online classes are arranged. For this reason, I am taking your online class. Okay. I am Bharati Mondol, Assistant Head Teacher of Tiger Secondary School, Jhalokati. Today, my teaching topic is English second paper of class 10. Are you ready with your exercise book, pen or pencil? Now, I will teach you about grammar, the important topic of voice change. Okay, dear learners, now take your exercise book and pen and write down today's lesson's title, voice change. We will discuss about voice change. Before going to discuss about voice change, we should know the definition of voice. As the definition of voice, in general, we can say voice is a sound of throat. In another way, we can say voice is one kind of tone. But according to the rules of grammar, voice is the form of the verb which indicates whether the subject does the work or something has been done to it. Dear learners, I think all of you are clear the definition of voice. Okay? Okay guys, let's discuss about the kinds of voice. Voice can be divided into two kinds, such as active voice and passive voice. Besides this, there are different kinds of voice, such as passive voice, voice of double object, factitive object, reflexive object, and verb with complement and verb without complement. Okay, now we shall learn about the rules of changing voice. Okay, there are some rules of changing active into passive, changing voice of active into passive. The object of the active voice becomes the subject of the passive voice. It is the first rule. Second rule, according to the tense, auxiliary verb is used. For example, we can say the sentence is present indefinite tense. Auxiliary verb is used, am is, are. In this way, the main verb is changed into past participle form. If the main verb is do, is changed into past participle form, done. In this way, preposition by or to or with is used. The next rule, the subject of the active voice becomes the object of the passive voice. This is the rules for changing active into passive. Dear learners, for this reason, the subject of the active voice becomes the object of the passive voice. For this, we have to follow the rules of changing voice, rules of changing person. Rules of changing person. I will be turned into me, you will be turned into you, and he will be turned into him. She will be turned into her, they will be turned into them, and we will be turned into us. In this way, all of you are clear the rules of changing person. Every student look at the board and I have written a sentence. We play football. Is it a sentence? Every student look at the board. I have written a sentence. We play football. Is it a sentence? Okay. Now we will change into passive in this way. We will change into passive in this way. According to the first rule, the object of the active voice becomes the subject of the passive voice. That's why football Football is according to the auxiliary verb, according to the tense, auxiliary verb is will be used. Is will be used, and then play is the main verb. Is past participle form is played. Played, and preposition by will be used. Preposition by will be used, and then last rule, the subject of the active voice become the object of the passive voice. That's why here subject we will be turned into us. In this way, I think, dear learners, all of you are clear how to change from active into passive, isn't it? Okay guys, no more today. Stay with our online class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you all.